Alright fellas, it's time for this video for this Garrett AT Max bundle package. The winner gets the AT Max, of course, the Nell Storm Coil, and the Garrett detector bag. Pretty cool. Alright, we are live. $5.43. We got the list here. We have 5 entries. Got Mark on the top, Dan on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 7 times at $5.43. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. You got Sheldon on the top. We must go 7. Good luck wish at $5.43. $5.43. Last and final roll. Top spot gets this Garrett AT Max bundle. Congratulations goes to spot 4, Bob. Congratulations, Bob. Send me a PM and I'll get this out to you as soon as possible. We are done at $5.44. $5.44. Congratulations again, Bob. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Have a good evening. Take care.